Hello everyone, this is David Lewis here with your weekly motivational tip. And these tips are coming directly from my book, Winners versus Losers. I want to remind you that real winners are grateful for the opportunities they have had and the blessings they've received. To them, winning is a necessary part of their life, and they see what they do as a part of something bigger than themselves. Winners are problem solvers, and they see the big picture, not only for themselves, but how their success will benefit others as well. There's always those who criticize highly successful people, but that is often part of the price of a big vision and high achievement. Winning is a mindset that considers all reasonable possibilities and options that could lead to a successful conclusion. Winners do not focus on the problem. They glance at the problem, but are fixed on the solution. That is where they commit the best of their efforts and their resources. They view problems as things to overcome rather than something to avoid. Winners believe there is an inner power that makes them who they are, when losers focus on the negative and winners focus on the positive. Winners are the ones who listen to their hearts and go for their dreams. Does that mean you're a born winner or a loser? Absolutely not. Just like an athlete builds his or her outer strength to compete for the prize, winners also build their inner power to conquer the challenges that they will face with the determination that's required to accomplish their goals. No one becomes a champion overnight, and great success does not happen all at once. It is earned by the everyday commitment to do the right thing every time the opportunity or need arises. Winners are thankful for every opportunity they have to move the ball forward. They do not despise the day of small beginnings because they understand that every giant tree started from a seed that fell on fertile ground. They know that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with just one step, and they fearlessly take that step to begin the journey. They encourage others by their inspiring faith. Those who become winners in life appreciate the part that others play, and they're eager to help those who need a hand along the road to their own success. They do not rain on another person's parade. They stand on the sidelines cheering them along and celebrating the things they have accomplished. Thomas Paine, an early American journalist and proponent for the founding of America, had good advice for those who have any part to play in efforts that involve others. He said, "Lead, follow, or get out of the way." That was good advice when America needed solid direction, and it is still good for those who want to make their mark in the world today. Paine's writings were influential, inspiring the colonists to proclaim independence from Great Britain, and he was adamant about the rights of men to live in freedom and pursue their own goals in life. As we travel on our journey to the top, we will see that success, like freedom, is a right that each of us have and not a privilege only given to a select few. Like freedom, success comes at a price and is often won only after great battles, by enduring the struggles and challenges that stand in our way and attempt to turn us away from the path that leads to victory. Always remember, being a winner takes effort, but it's worth the journey. Good luck, everyone.